Y'all, I need all you guys to call corporate on the Chick-fil-A. They did not even tell me have a good day or anything. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another vlog. So today we are furniture shopping. Hair still isn't done. Hopefully I'm getting it done soon because I'm tired of the hats, y'all. So we are on the way to this place. Mom! What's the easiest way to get there? So we're going to this place. I forgot the name of it. It's like an appliance place. But, you know, I'll see you guys when we get there. So, I don't know. Okay, this is the place I was telling you guys about. My mom is here. We've never been here before. Oh, wow. Okay. So you don't have to waste. Honestly, I probably would still open up the fridge because I'm just like that. But 3,600. I guess it's worth it. I honestly would say that's worth it.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do what you do. That's why
Oh, these are Mason. This is a perfect setup. This whole thing makes that look small. But his is bigger than that, I think.
He needs a proper thing.
This TV is super cute. And how much is it? It's 27. You can definitely tell the difference between the K's. Like this is freaking crisp. Okay, it's 4K. This one is big, but it's not as crisp. You know what I mean? Y'all, this is super cute and it's only $5.60. My gosh. Okay guys, I am at Best Buy right now. This is Best Buy connected to the mall. Are they open? Don't you hate when you walk up to a door and they're not freaking opening it and it's like so embarrassing? But I think they are open. Okay, but actually like by the cameras right now, I'm looking for a tripod for my car. Okay, and some people ask me what camera I have. This is the camera I have, Sony ZV-1. But I was debating between this and the Canon G7X because this one's very, very popular for YouTubers. Okay, I cut through. Now we're in the mall. I got my Best Buy thing. I'll show you guys when we get in the car. But walking to the mall now. I'm super thirsty and hungry. I'm about to go to dinner. Well, not dinner. Out to lunch by myself. Okay. Okay, y'all. I'm at my favorite place. I think I'm their first customer, so I'm gonna be patient with them. But I'm at this huge table by myself. But yeah, I'm ready to order, y'all. Hi.
How you doing?
Good. How are you?
Good. Can you get started something, okay?
Yeah. Can I get a sweet tea and a water?
Sure.
And I'm ready to order. Can I go?
Okay.
Order?
Yeah. Okay. Here for it.
Okay. I want the create your own. I want the fried white fish.
Okay.
And okay, here's my thanks. Hey y'all, so it's another day and have another free day today. So I'm gonna finish off this, I guess like a part 1 or whatever of this furniture shopping vlog. I'm also maybe gonna do like home decor. Hair still isn't done. I'm wearing a dress right now and I look a mess, but who cares? It's a Monday, so I'm hoping nobody's even out, and if you're out, why? You need to be at home, okay? Then go into Best Buy because I'm returning that thing I got. It did not work how I want it to work, and it's not useful for me.
All I from movie the way they be acting. She said that she like on my eyelid. This life I gotta appreciate. Remember the time I ain't had this. But when they see me in a mansion, tell me that they probably Ain't hard to demonstrate. Honestly, I'm really just rapping. Wanna get my got fans and they love me. Wanna get my got haters, they hate me. They say that this nigga fucking nerd. Wouldn't wanna see me lately. Wonder why they bitch wanna date me. Wonder why they cannot escape me. Wonder why some goofy nigga on them will break.
Hey y'all, I'm at TJ Maxx / Home Goods. I parked on the side and it's packed in here. So let me hurry up and get in here. I'm just looking for like some home decor type of stuff. So
some niggas gotta keep that they can't control. Broke, I'm born rich. If you in this situation, nigga, deal with it. Pop, bitch, you ain't make that clear. Nigga, see, little take on these skinny clip. Rewind a few times on the floor real quick. But I see, nigga, I was known for this. You immature and I'm grown with it. But it's young nigga, broken soul with it. Niggas will accuse you, I know. Just city close when you blown shit. Nigga, got some regardless, who cares? Fuck your opinion, don't care what you hate. It's big boys, BB Simmons on my game. Bitch, but ain't game on me, hit from the red. Be gon' broke, ain't got what I feel. Ain't God, she blessed me. Nigga, no love. And I'm on my grind like some motherfucking trucks. I got the sauce, you can't touch, no. I left a movie the way they be acting. She said that she like on my ad-lib. This life I gotta appreciate. Remember the time I ain't had this. But when they see me in a mansion, to me that they proud and they clapping. Ain't hard to demonstrate. Honestly, I'm really just rapping. Wanna get my got fans and they love me. Wanna get my got haters, they hate me. They say that this nigga fucking nerd. Wouldn't wanna see me lately. Wonder why they bitch wanna date me. Wonder why they cannot escape me. Wonder why some goofy nigga on the internet richer than them with brace teeth. I'm fuck with you, I'm gon' fuck it up. Get in rackets, I fuck with my boss. Say you want me, then you out of love. Baby girl, you out of love. Ain't that social, never on the club. Like who invite me to the club. But your sex, they don't wanna trap me, girl. Nah, that ain't enough. Don't fuck with you, I'm gon' fuck it up. Get in rackets, I fuck with my boss. Say you want me, then you out of love. Baby girl, you out of love. Ain't that social, never on the club. Like who invite me to the club. But your sex,
okay guys, I'm back in the car. I didn't get anything out of there. I just wanted to look at some stuff, get a few ideas. Hopefully you guys can help me when I show you guys like the spot I'm gonna be in, and give me some like furniture ideas. But I went in there to like get ideas.
Hi, how are you?
Hey.
Can I have your name?
Nay.
What can I get for you?
Can I just get a large sweet tea, extra ice? Y'all, I need all you guys to call corporate on the Chick-fil-A. And should I tell them? Or is it too near our house? Call the corporate on them because they did not even tell me have a good day or anything. But it's fine. Right now I'm on the phone with my mom. Just having a little girl chat, catching up and stuff. I haven't talked to her in a while. And no, okay, right now I'm at Best Buy. And it's like easier to have your camera out at Best Buy because they sell cameras and you never know, like you be trying to find a part for your camera or something. And people really aren't gonna like judge you as hard, so how to return. Y'all, I literally was in there for 1 freaking second. Like, she just scanned my receipt. She's like, here you go, you're done. Y'all, I really want a new car, so I'm gonna be going car shopping really soon, and I'm gonna vlog it. It don't even have to be like way newer or anything, because I have a 2016. But if anyone knows me, I get tired of stuff so fast. Okay, y'all, I'm at the mall now. It's literally like 11:03. They just opened, so the furniture spot is right here when you first go in. So I'm gonna go in here, take a peek. Also, this furniture store does have like payment plans, I think. They got something. Y'all, this anklet is my new staple piece. Are they freaking opening it? Yeah. Hi.
Pulling out the coupe in the lot. Tony fuck 12, fuck SWAT. Buzzing all the tails out the box. I just hit a lick with the box. Had to put the stick in the box. The whole damn field, I'ma get lazy. I got the mojo pills, baby trapping like the 80s. She said the nigga so got the cash out. Told him wipe a nigga no. 6 like
I'm going to Target now. And then I'm ending this vlog so I can hurry up and upload it. Y'all, I'm trying to upload 3 times a week. But it's freaking hard because I'll be doing other stuff too. And then I'm trying to get ready for like Vlogtober and stuff. Posting every day, so I'm trying to plan out my content. Okay, this is good for like shoe storage. Well, actually, discard that. I don't know why they have boots on it. But I'm in here right now. Just chilling out.
I really wanna know.
Somebody said these bowls were 50 cents and then someone said they were $1, but at my Target they're $3. But I like looking at their appliances and stuff.
Thank you for shopping with us today.
I didn't really like any of their
Families and our team members is our highest priority.
home decor
That's
stuff.
why wearing
So I'll see you guys in my next vlog. If this goes up on Tuesday, I'll see y'all on Thursday. So make sure you subscribe.
Open the lot, Tony fuck 12, fuck SWAT. Buzzing all the tails out the box. I just hit a lick with the box.